Binomials are words that go together in a set order. Let's look at some of the most common binomials in the English language. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Peanut butter and jam. Pen and paper. The sun and the moon. Soup and salad. Soap and water. On and off. Peace and quiet. Mum and dad. Wine and dine. Table and chairs. Needle and thread. More or less. Bright and early. Bit by bit. Hot and cold. Fish and chips. Pick and choose. Odds and ends. Now or never. What other binomials do you know and use? Let us know in the comment. Thanks for watching.